Pesto Tarts. Something really simple. Remember we made some puff pastry shell meat pies the other day. Using the same shells, very simple to make this. I already par cooked the shrimp off with a little bit of bacon fat from breakfast the other morning that saved. Got these very sexy fresh mozzarella pearls. Great tomatoes. I bought some pesto at the market. Gonna move the camera around so you can see what we're doing. Oven's preheated to 425. Sheet's already got spray release on it. Really quick, should take about 20 minutes in the oven. We'll see. Be right back. All right guys, we're back. Let's get this puff pastry right here. Ready to get my sliced tomatoes, mise en place set up. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a fork and make that a little close for you. And you're just gonna, what's called docking the dough. And you're gonna go and leave a little space around the edge. And you're gonna, this keeps the dough from rising in the middle. It lets the steam escape. All right, we're gonna take our pesto, store-bought pesto. You can get it in the fresh Italian food section at your grocer. And spread that over it. There we go. And then I put that par cooked shrimp on there. Making it pretty. There you go. Okay guys, we're just going to toss that in the oven. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on there over by the oven, and that's about it. Just slide these off of parchment paper. Onto the tray. Could have made them on the tray, probably would have been easier. But like I said a few videos ago, whoops, I do forget things every once in a while. Alrighty. There you have it. Gonna pop that in the oven. And we'll be back in about 20-30 minutes. Okay guys, we're back. Pulling these out of the, oh, these are so good. These out of the oven. Look at that. Got my pretty new plate. These smell so good. Look at that. Total cook time was about 35 minutes. See how puffed up. Look at the cheese. Look at the shrimp. And the oven's going crazy. Here we go. Alright, so shrimp tart puff pastry, right there. Total time, probably 45 minutes. Pretty simple, keep it around the house. They look gorgeous, they smell great. Remember, feed your brother, like, subscribe, hit the bell, you'll get the notifications, and have a great day. Thank you.